ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ. Hello guys. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ Coimbatore Airportꯅꯤ. As you can see, my flight is a very early flight. और जगह इतना सूना था. आप देख रहे हो कि मतलब कि पूरा खाली खाली पड़ा हुआ है. फ्लाइट से पूरा अङꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯀꯣ ꯄꯨꯝꯆꯤꯛꯅꯦꯕ एयरपोर्ट तौरीसे येंगो ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯇꯦ. The place was so empty and deserted. For a moment I felt like, where are all the other passengers? So I was walking till my gate. तो मैं चलते चलते जा ही रही थी मेरे गेट की तरफ और देख रही हूँ उधर शॉप वगैरह खुला तो है पर खाली है. और देख लो ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯪꯅꯕ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯠꯇꯨꯐꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯡꯍꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗ. So I just sat near the window and I was just watching outside the window. I just badly wanted to land to Delhi and reach Kashmir as soon as possible. तो हाँ जी, हम लोग गुलमार्ग ऑलमोस्ट पहुँच ही गए हैं. हम लोग रास्ते पे हैं. As you can see, the snow-covered mountains, like it's just so breathtaking. It's so beautiful. Noina sida camera da uriba sidi ko phajaba manba gaidu oirabaneba. Mitna uba matamda asigi khuphaja se ai words ta describe toba sungam ngamde asidaise yam sathina kai hai tare majestic oiragane hekta yengba sida amakha mit se kupta ghaiga yengningba khuphaja do adugi khuphaja neba asida oi hauri se. And then this is my student Pooja and me in the cable car. अभी जो नज़ारा दिख रहा है ये केबल कार से लिया गया है, इसीलिए ये थोड़ा हिल सकता है ये वीडियो, तो थोड़ा सम्मा कीजिएगा. खितंग नोम बने को वीडियो से अदुना अदो को ngauragadi I'm really sorry. अदो फजमन बगी हापने ngसाइगी उसिदा तारिबा उन्ने अदुगा मखासिना उनसिना ngौस्रोक ngौरगा हेक्ता लेहौरिबा फिबम से साथीना फजबदो अदुनेबा ओइरिसे अइंगोंदा. I just love the view so much. So regarding this cable car, I would like to inform you guys that you need to pre-book it. If you don't want to like waste any of your time, then like both of us have pre-booked it even before reaching Kashmir. And once upon reaching there, if you want to stand in the queue, then it would take a very long time. So instead of that, if you take a guide with you, he will charge you 1000 to 1200. तो बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा. तुमको क्यू में खड़े होने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगा. You don't even have to stand in the queue. माना दुम नंग दो पूरा दुम सा चंग रगा दुम केबल कार से सट लाउना तोंगहनग्रदबनेबा. So there won't be any waste of time. And then he will also talk to further people up there about the bike rides, about going for this skiing and also I would suggest that you take a guide with you. That way you can save up a lot of time. और जितना आप टाइम बचाओगे उतना ही तुम घूम लोगे उसके आसपास ये सब जगह. And this is the beautiful Gulmarg. And then we have almost reached our point. The cable car that we have booked is up to phase 1. अब देख लो ये है मेरा एक्सप्रेशन उतरने के बाद केबल कार से मतोंदो यौबदा अगी हराउबे एक्सप्रेशन अदैदि इबानीना उनसिदा ngaujari se yengo. And our tour guide was making this valentine out of the snow और उसने हाथ में ग्लोव्स भी नहीं पहना हुआ है. ग्लोव्स सुंगुप उपतना माना असी उनसिदा मखुत से हापगा तौरिसिदा इबानी दि अदुम माना तौरिसि उबदा इबानी दि अदुम शॉक चटलबने. And that's me posing with the snow heart. Lol. Another spot amamuk yaure sida ai namjari ai isagi selfie video ama to ai background to ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ ꯀश्ꯃꯤꯔꯤ ꯀꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯀश्ꯃꯤꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯀश्ꯃꯤꯔꯤ ꯀꯋꯥ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯝꯄꯜꯁꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯜꯛ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯀश्ꯃꯤꯔꯤ ꯀꯋꯥ ꯐꯪ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯝꯗꯨꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯒꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝꯒꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯛꯁꯁꯦ ꯖꯁ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦꯀꯣ It's really, really, really good. It's worth it. ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯠ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀश्ꯃꯤꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯖ ꯇꯧꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯃꯊꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯖ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯠ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ Now I have reached a point where I'm supposed to drive the mountain bike. I'm acting tough, but I was scared, bit scared, and as you can see, it was really, really slippery. But I thought that if I've reached there, why not try even if it is for a short distance. तो मैंने ट्राई कर लिया इतना डरी हुई थी अंदर से बट ट्राई तो कर लिया मैं खुश हूँ कि मैंने वो डेफिनेटली ट्राई करके आई और ये है इग्लू कहने के लिए इग्लू है छोटा सा है खुप्पी कम निको मोइने इग्लू ने हारिसे दो तारसु चंगागा येंगुरे and then these are my photos and my funny poses that small thing is an igloo it's a little bit funny huh and instead of returning on the cable car we decided that we will go by sledge and then I sledged down alone having fun ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯣꯡꯉꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯨꯞꯄꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯎꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯣꯡꯊꯔꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯎꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯕ ꯄꯨꯖꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ On our way back we stop at a point from where you can see the Kashmir Valley. As you can see, so many dark clouds were overshadowing and then we just stood there to look at the valley and the view was so beautiful. It was so green and then we just stood there for a while wondering at the beauty of Kashmir. Wow.